Topics for small talk. What is small talk? Small talk is talking about small, unimportant, safe things. Small talk can help us get to know people and to make new friends. What is a topic? A topic is what you are going to talk about. Here are some good topics for small talk in Canada. Topic 1. The weather. What does weather mean? The weather is what's happening outside, for example. Rain, sun, snow. Topic 2. Hobbies. What are hobbies? Hobbies are what you like to do in your free time. Topic 3. Free time. What is free time? Free time is when you do what you want to do. Topic 4. Work. What is work? Work is how you earn money. Topic 5. Study. What is study? To study means that you are going to school to learn something. Topic 6. Sports. What are sports? Sports are games played by teams. Topic 7. Public transit. What is public transit? Public transit includes buses and the LRT. Topic 8. Vacations or weekends. What is a vacation? A vacation is time off work, often a trip. What is a weekend? The weekend includes Saturday and Sunday. Topic 9. Plans. What are plans? Plans are things you intend to do in the future. Enjoy making small talk to make new friends.